A few other artists and some of my subscribers have noticed that some of my drawings, the ink looked a little bit different than my other work before, and they asked me what pen I'm using for that. Now the pens that I'm using is actually an off-brand called the Isomars Technoart, and you can get the entire set for only $40, and that includes all these pens, 8 pens. You get the ink with it, you get the holders, and this entire set. Now this is an off-brand, so the quality is not going to be good as something such as Rotring right here. And if you're wanting the best isograph or rapidograph pen for a very detailed drawing, your best bet is to get the Rotring. It's a better quality. They cost a lot more though. These pens range between $30 to $40 each, whereas with this entire set you can get 8 pens with ink in the entire case for the same price that you would spend getting one of these. So there's a huge difference in the quality and the price. Now, as far as the drawing goes, the quality, I don't really notice much of a difference at all in my drawing and how the drawings work, like how the pen does when the tip of the isograph meets the paper. It's pretty much the same, and I will leave a link to a video I did of a drawing where I used these off-brand drawings. And I thought the drawing came out great. The difference is going to be in the build quality, because the materials that they're using for these aren't as high of a quality as the Rotring. And they look almost identical, but I did notice a difference in the feed system and in the tip of the isograph. It's a different metal, and they work slightly different, and these aren't going to last you as long as the Rotring. The Rotring is going to last you, if you take really good care of it, it can last you 20, 30 years of your entire life, as long as you don't drop them or damage the tip of it, and as long as you're drawing on smooth paper. But I didn't really notice that much of a difference in the drawing quality and everything. And the ink that it came with this is also an off-brand ink. It's a Technoart. And with this ink compared to the name brand ink that you get from Rotring, I didn't notice much difference with that as well. It wrote the same, my drawings came out pretty much the same. But if you just want absolute best quality possible, go with the Rotring. But if you're just getting started out and you want an entire set that's cheap and you don't want to spend a lot of money because you're just getting started or you don't have the money to do so, I would advise getting these. It's a great set. You can't go wrong with it for the price. I think you can make beautiful artwork, intricate artwork, mandalas, abstract, portraits. You can do a lot of that, and everything you can with the Rotring name brands, you can with these. But as I said before, if you're just getting started and you want a good set, go ahead and try these. And I like to see some of the drawings you do. Go ahead and send me a drawing you've done. I have all kinds of links in my videos and on my channel. If you want to send me a drawing, you can email it to me, and I'll critique it and give my opinion. I look forward to seeing those drawings, and I'm curious to see how they turn out if you use a set of these. But I think if you get these, they'll work great for you. And if not, then I would just go with the Rotring if these aren't your type of pen that you like. But I think they'll do great for you, and I hope they work well.